Hello guys. Welcome back to another video. This is the latest update. As a shmup aficionado, the Skyforce games have always sat on the periphery of my awareness. Despite polished developers Infinite Dreams Origins working on Amiga games, their platform of choice for their flagship shmup series was the iPhone of all things. It seemed foolish, and I initially dismissed the original game as being entirely unsuited to the platform. I was wrong. Against all odds, the genre flourished. Even Japanese Bullet Hell Monsters Cave began porting their arcade classics to phones and tablets, and the Skyforce series became one of the better-known mobile shooter franchises. Now, Infinite Dreams have come on home to PC with Skyforce Reloaded, and might just have a thing or two to teach us about accessibility in the genre. Skyforce Reloaded is an interesting blend of Eastern and Western shmup design, with some chunky bullet-soaking enemies, but also some interestingly intricate bullet patterns and a relatively unforgiving health system. Mechanically, it adopts a few traits from the likes of Raiden and 1942, especially the way it handles enemy waves and power-ups, and the whole blend is neatly spiced with a very Amiga-styled pseudo-chiptune tracker soundtrack. The end result is a very polished, if slightly straightforward shmup. Rather than play the entire campaign in one sitting, it's quite lengthy at 15 levels long. You take on stages individually as you see fit, replaying and mastering them to fulfill achievement requirements, and span the golden star pickups you accrue on permanent upgrades to your fighter. While this could throw off balance easily, true completion of a level requires 0 damage taken and 100% of enemies cleared, which is a difficult feat even with a fully tricked-out fighter. Mercifully, even failed runs will give you some more money to pour into your long-term upgrades. Still, the fact that it offers varying degrees of success for any given level opens this one to a much wider audience. Merely surviving to the end of a level is relatively easy, at least early on, but mastery is encouraged. Perhaps a side effect of the series' gestation on touchscreen devices, the lower requirements for entry means that the game can turn up the heat more gradually. Even if you've no experience with the genre, you'll be weaving through bullets in no time, assuming a little determination. Skyforce Reloaded is available now on Steam for £7.19/$10, minus a 10% launch discount. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more such future updates. Thank you.